Welcome to the Political Rant with me, The Voice, right here on Ghana and Sem TV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you will be notified.
I see the spirit in you that you belong to MP. The freshness that are here, present. You have seen young men who were TESCOM members, and after school, the positions they held is an indication that NPP is still a good political party and the only party that can save Ghana's economy. So to the freshness, I want to inspire you that all is not lost. Do not think we are in opposition and therefore you are going to join a party in power. I want to assure you, they have nothing to offer you. Stay where you are, have confidence. This is not the first time we've been in opposition, but we've come back very strong. So I'm pleading with you that nobody should lose hope and decide to leave MPP TESCOM to join TAIL or any other political fraternity. On behalf of MPP, I want to assure you that at any point in time that we organize such programs, we will be here to support. We've learned our mistakes, and I feel so guilty when Oforiko Member of Parliament was talking about the good works you did for him to win the Oforiko seat. Then I pose the question, what happened? What did we do wrong? This is a time that we have to sit back and reflect soberly all the mistakes we made and correct them. And if we do so, I assure you, the future of this country in 2028 will be handed over to Ghana, to everyone. I want to assure you that all is not lost, but defeat teaches you a lesson so that you don't make the same mistakes again. So let this defeat be a lesson to us, so that when we correct our mistakes, we become a better party. And anybody who holds a position will also remember that when we were down in the woods, there were young men who sacrificed their life to bring MPP to power again. Talking to friends, colleagues, just so soon we have learned our lesson. So therefore, let you be the mouthpiece on campus. When the patron was speaking, he made mention of 100,000 students. I charge you what was said in Matthew 28:19. And it says, go and make disciples of all nations. I'm commissioning you as the disciples of MP. Go and win souls for MP. Do not sit back. Do not lose hope. Because the only political party who assures you of your future is MPP party. So the youth of this country, we are coming back strongly with all lessons learned. So please, to today have built more hope because of the students I see and the excitement. How you welcome us. Indeed, MPP will forever be grateful to just conclude for yourself. The old members, the leaders of the party, they are all watching what is happening in this hall. It inspires them and gives them courage. Because most of them are discouraged, they think we can never come to power. It is not possible. We will definitely come to power in 2028. But we need to work hard. We need to work very hard. And what I always say is that if MPP will come to power, without unity, even if you bring Jesus Christ to lead MPP, we'll lose. So our cardinal focus should be unity. In politics, we offend each other. Let's put it behind us. The only people who become better people in society are those who are able to forgive their friends and brothers who offend them. Anybody that feels I'm offended are provokers. Anybody who feels he has offended me, I have forgiven him. We need to come together and become one formidable force that is ready to fight. It's not going to be easy in 2028. It's going to be tough. But with unity, I assure you, we have the men. We'll gather the men, put them together, and there will be a showdown. So do not be despair. Have hope. Have confidence. That what any political party has done to come to power, MPP can do it too. And we are definitely coming back. I say these words to encourage you to go back, reflect soberly what went wrong. And what are the solutions that caused our defeat? We all know. So let's refrain from